Stirring up your vocabulary. Understanding stir stick. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to delve into an interesting English phrase that might sound a bit puzzling at first. Ever heard of a stir stick? If not, or if you're unsure, you're in for a treat. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it in your daily conversations. Before we explore the phrase as a whole, let's break down the two words separately. Stir is a verb which means to move a spoon or other object around in a liquid or mixture to mix it thoroughly. Stick is a noun, and it generally refers to a thin piece of wood or other material. When combined, these words create the phrase stir stick. A stir stick is a small, slender rod, often made of plastic, wood, or metal, used to mix liquids, especially in culinary contexts. Think of it as a tool you'd use to mix sugar into your coffee or tea. In many cafes and coffee shops, you'll find disposable stir sticks available for customers to use. To better understand any phrase, it's always good to see it in action. Here are some example sentences. 1. Can you hand me a stir stick? My coffee needs a good mix. 2. I prefer using a spoon over a stir stick for my hot drinks. 3. They forgot to put stir sticks out for the guests at the party. There you have it. Now, the next time you're at a coffee shop and you hear someone asking for a stir stick, you'll know exactly what they're talking about. English is filled with fascinating phrases and expressions, and every time you learn one, you're one step closer to mastering the language. Hope this video was helpful. Keep stirring up your vocabulary, and until next time, happy learning!